Hi, this is John with WTI, and this guy here is my daily driver when it comes to smartwatch. This is the Galaxy Active 2. This guy here tracks my workouts. I go around with everywhere, and I use a motorcycle in my city. So as I'm trying to get directions to go to somewhere else or trying to get to any place, I would put Google Maps in here, and it will give me the directions of where I'm going. This is a Swiss knife when it comes to the utility. You can track your workouts, you can change your music. And right now, I'm using this watch to check on my camera to see how everything is set up. I could get the idea of where everything is framed. So I use this guy for almost everything. And when I didn't have a smartwatch, I was always asking myself, like, what is the idea of having a smartwatch, or why is it so important? Until I got one. This measures my steps, knows my health, tells me whenever I have to drink more water. So this is like a machine that it will aid or help you in your life to stay active, and it has all these other functions. So this has been a good acquisition for me. And if you're looking for a great, affordable smartwatch that is going to be good, and it has in the same ecosystem for Android and Samsung specifically, so you have a lot of good features in here. So this one, good. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.